Why would you buy an entire booster box when you can buy 36 individual packs? For today, we are opening up 36 Obsidian Flames booster packs. And I'm not kidding, we have 36 packs right here. So let's see what we can pull. My chase card for Obsidian Flame will be any Charizard EX or the Pidgeot EX. Because Charizard's a very meta deck and I want to build it myself. Pack number 1. Ooh, a first EX hit. Let's go. Ooh, another EX hit. Okay, keep it coming. Let me know in the comments if you guys prefer single packs or just buying a whole booster box, because I think we'll get more hits from these. Ooh, there it is. There it is, the Charizard. Can we get a double hit? And it's a double hit. Holy. Let's go. Smash that like button. We're only 3 packs deep. Let's keep it going and see if we can pull any more heat. Ooh, another EX. Can we keep the streak going? Another EX, okay. I guess our luck came to an end. Ooh, okay. Illustration rare and we're like halfway done. Ooh, look at that. Wow. And another hit, double hit pack. Let's go. Kinda cool we got both evolution. Ooh, another EX. Still looking for the Pidgeot EX. Ooh, but it's a full art. We'll take this. I think this Pokemon really likes me, huh? Six packs left. It would be crazy if we pull another Charizard, right? Ooh, we haven't got this EX yet. 3 packs left. Last pack. Can we get a last pack magic? I still need the Pidgeot EX. Or another Charizard EX. Here's a recap of all our pulls. If you made it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you can always check out my other content right here. Go click it. Watch my other videos. Go. Thank you.